Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of not knowing where your money goes every month and if you want to start budgeting and tracking your expenses, this video is for you guys. So let's get started. EveryDollar is a zero-based budgeting app created by Dave Ramsey's team. That means every dollar you earn is assigned a job, whether it's for spending, saving or giving, until your monthly income equals your total budget. Now let's move to how to use it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So search at the top of your page EveryDollar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and install the app, then open it up. So create an account with your email and log in, and then you're ready to set up your first monthly budget. Start by entering your monthly income at the top, then scroll down to fill out your expenses, things like rent, food, transportation and subscriptions. As you spend money, you can manually enter transactions, or if you're on that EveryDollar premium plan, link your bank and let it track automatically. You'll see exactly how much you've spent in each category and how much you have left. You can adjust amounts anytime, move money between categories and see if you're on track. Also, the free version works great for manual budgeting, but the premium plan offers bank syncing, custom reports, and financial coaching tools. You can always try the free version first and then you can upgrade it later. So EveryDollar makes budgeting simple, clean, and actually motivating. If you're ready to take control of your money, you can start using it today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.